creating robots that act and behave just like animals.
When I visited Festo, I went swimming with their penguins. These are autonomous robotic penguins. They knew where I was in the pool, didn't bump into me or anything, or the sides of the pool, and we had a pretty cool afternoon together.
And I introduce the smart bird. Festo say that this is the closest they have ever been to creating a robot so similar to the real thing. It's got a carbon fibre frame, so it's exceptionally lightweight, but very rigid. It weighs just 450 grams.
Wow.
Its design is based on the herring gull. It has a wingspan of 2 meters.
Whoa. Ouch! YouTube classic.
No, it's an incredible design. See how many people can make this?